Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CA Joyam, and we will discuss the finer points of the updated ITR as per the latest budget. And welcome to the new logo of my firm with the same service focus. Hope you enjoy. Hi friends, good morning. Now, सबसे पहले एक latest update which was given a week back by income tax. With effect from 1st April 2022, that is financial year 2022-23, higher TDS will be deducted for those people who have not filed their last year's ITR. That is, एक साल का ITR अगर आपने नहीं भरा तो आपको डबल TDS डिडक्ट किया जाएगा। यह सेक्शन 206 के हिसाब से जो पहले लाया गया था 2 साल का ITR नहीं भरने पे एक्स्ट्रा TDS, तो अभी इसको 1 साल कराया गया एंड 1 ईयर का ITR एंड जिसका TDS इज 50,000 एंड मोर। तो ये दोनों कंडीशन अगर फुलफिल करता है तो बैंक्स या अदर इंस्टीट्यूशन डबल TDS डिडक्ट करेगा। नाउ दिस इज समथिंग वेरी वेराइंग। यूनियन बजट एक 2 साल का लाता है, फिर सडनली एक 2 महीने बाद एक 1 ईयर का प्रोविजन लाया जाता है। दिस इज बीइंग डन टू एक्सपांड द टैक्स बेस। टू माई लिमिटेड नॉलेज, the inflation is very high, the food prices are spiraling out of control, the food subsidy being given since pandemic by the central government, तो उनके जो खजाना है वो कम होते जा रहा है। तो गवर्नमेंट को लेस TDS मिला है, लेस डिविडेंड मिला है RBI से, लेस बाय मोर देन 60% दिस ईयर। सो गवर्नमेंट पे फंड्स का प्रेशर है, सो दे आर डायरेक्टिंग द टैक्समैन टू इंक्रीज द collection. So there is going to be more harassment from the department down the line. So keep this amendment in mind. And there are 10 major points in the updated ITR which you need to keep in mind. मेरे पहले वीडियोस इस पे आए हैं पर मैंने स्पेसिफिकली 10 पॉइंट मार्क करके रखा हुआ है, तो आप इस चीज को ध्यान में रखें, ठीक है। एंड वॉच द स्लाइड आफ्टर दिस स्पीच जिसमें मेरा वॉइस ओवर भी है, सो यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर। हैव अ नाइस डे। 10 points to keep in mind while filing an updated ITR. In the form for updated ITR, taxpayers are required to declare the purpose of filing as well as the amount of income to be taxed in the updated return. Taxpayers are not required to provide a breakup of the income reported in the updated ITR. They can now use new form ITR-U to file the updated income tax return from financial year 2019-20 onwards. Certain taxpayers, like those who are under compulsory tax audit under section 44AB, are required to file updated ITR using digital signature or electronic verification code. The ITR updated has to be filed within 2 years of the end of the relevant assessment year. The taxpayers are also required to provide reasons for updating the ITR. The reasons for filing ITR-U may be including previous return not filed, income not reported correctly, wrong heads of income chosen, etc., etc. A taxpayer has to pay an additional 25% if the ITR-U is filed within 1 year of the relevant assessment year, or if it is filed after more than 1 year but within 2 years, additional 50% tax and interest is to be paid. The return will be considered invalid if the taxpayer fails to pay the additional taxes. And you cannot file ITR-U if the overall tax is to be reduced or losses are to be offset against income. In effect, for reduced income or for reporting fresh losses, ITR-U cannot be used. And a ITR-U can be filed or only once for a particular financial year, hence do it very carefully. In case you have any queries, please communicate at the given relevant addresses.